All breaking news coming in at the top of the bulletin. This is breaking news coming in on India's defense capabilities at the line of actual control. Now, after successful trials at the western border, the Indian Army will set up 3D printed permanent defenses at the LAC. Now, each of these structures can withstand direct fire from a T-90 tank from as close as 100 meters. These lightweight defense structures are helpful in remote areas and can be carried by just 2 to 3 soldiers. They weigh as light as 40 kilograms. That's the piece of breaking news that's coming in amid the tensions with China at the line of actual control. Breaking news that we're getting from the Ministry of Defense is that these 3D printed defense structures will be placed at the LAC. They can withstand tank fire from, let's say, a T-90 tank from as close as 100 meters. I'm joined by my colleague Akash, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. Akash, give us an update about how this boosts our defense capabilities at the LAC, and what more are you getting from the MOD?
Right. So you see, Ayushman, India is focusing on infrastructure building alongside the borders and specifically alongside the actual line of control. Now, our sources within the Defense Ministry are suggesting that Indian Army is going to set up these 3D printed permanent defenses at the actual line of control. And these defenses are bunkers, observational posts, and other structures for our jawans. Remember, we had successful trials of these structures at our western border. Now, an important question comes that why these structures are a point of discussion. So, in many ways, these structures are beneficial. However, the fact that each of these structures can withstand a direct fire by a T-90 tank from as close as 100 meters is something that sums it up. Also, these are lightweighted structures, take less time, and many more things are there. And, you know, Ayushman, the interesting point is that this is also promoting Atmanirbhar approach of India because, they say that the product has been made by startups of ex-students under the guidance of IIT Gandhinagar. So this is one aspect of infrastructure building that India is focusing upon, and the latest piece is that these 3D printed permanent defenses will be at the actual line of control.
Right. Thank you, Akash, for joining us on the phone line with that piece of breaking news. So also a boost to the Atmanirbhar mission when it comes to the defense sector that was pushed by Prime Minister Modi. Now, shifting focus, the chilling and gruesome